Hi, and welcome to Oracle NetSuite version 2018 Release 2. The 2018.2 release has a number of features of interest to the nonprofit industry. This video will touch on a few of the features you might be interested in. Be sure to review the 2018.2 release notes for a full list of upcoming features and to find out more details on what benefits they can provide. As we continue to deliver more global financial capabilities, let me talk about the highlights of the 18.2 release that are particularly relevant for nonprofit organizations. In Release 18.2, NetSuite has provided further enhancements for international businesses. You can now automate the generation of consolidation, income statement closing, and balance sheet closing journal entries to satisfy the international market requirements, including but not limited to Germany, France, Mexico, and Brazil. Period-end journals enables users to post period-end journals to record consolidation and year-end closing journals, and run certain financial reports that reflect these transactions. In Release 18.2, bill payment transactions created will remain as non-posting until users receive confirmation from the bank that payments were successfully deposited. This feature provides the user with the capability to confirm these non-posting transactions in an automated fashion. Users can confirm in-transit vendor payments by manually matching them with bank transactions if they were not already auto-matched by the intelligent transaction matching engine. Users can do this at the same time as matching not in-transit transactions as part of the regular reconciliation workflow. In-transit payments are marked with an icon that looks like a flying dollar bill. For this feature, only vendor payments can be in transit. On the Review Matches tab, users can see all matches, whether they were auto-matched or manually matched. The Custom GL Lines plugin modifies the general ledger impact of standard and custom transactions. You can use the Custom GL Lines plugin to comply with a wide range of global accounting standards by applying custom transaction logic that adds lines to the NetSuite GL impact page. Currently, NetSuite will run Custom GL plugins in closed financial periods. Custom GL plugins run in the background, and in most cases, changes to closed data will not occur. There are instances, however, where a change in non-general ledger edit of a transaction impacts the general ledger. In Release 18.2, a new feature will allow users, partners, or on-site customer plugin developers to specify that the plugin should not run in closed periods and keep the original closed general ledger information intact. Let's move on to professional services automation. Employees who submit expense reports often like to do this over time, making entries and saving the submission until later, for example, at the end of the month rather than completing the entire report at one time. NetSuite supports this complete later practice as standard, but until now, not for customers who prefer to create their own custom approvals. In this release, custom approvals are also supported for expense reports to be completed later by the addition of a new approval state and changes to the expense report screen to improve the experience for the user. Here are the highlights in the area of Procure to Pay. Suite approval workflow is key to efficiently managing complex projects and partnerships while maintaining a secure operating environment. The Suite approval enhancements in this release focus on leveraging Suite approvals for the engineering change order feature while improving the journal entry approvals. Suite approvals offers templates that the users can select to build upon or create entirely new workflows where required. Using Suite Approvals 2.0, the Workflow Approvals feature, you can identify exactly who has to be involved in approving the change. The enhancement provides flexibility, transparency, and effective communication on all required coordination across all departments involved in the approval process, while changing anything on an assembly item's bill of materials and approval rules for journal entries. Several countries require that the status of inbound payments are recorded for commercial payments. With this new feature, status of in-transit payments, also known as two-stage payments, will be tracked internally and accounts payable relieved appropriately. Without this feature, companies operating in those countries had to manually track the status of the receiving bank deposit and manually manage their accounts or use a partner solution. We are excited to announce the new SUITEANALYTICS workbook solution in beta mode. NetSuite has been a leader in delivering embedded analytics, enabling our customers to drive actionable analysis, enforce business processes, and gain meaningful insight into company performance across multiple departments, teams, and subsidiaries. We are taking our analytics to the next level. In addition to reports and saved searches, we're excited to announce the beta release of the new SUITEANALYTICS workbook solution. The new user interface has been designed so that business users with limited or no technical knowledge of record schemas and query language can quickly and easily create complex queries through actions such as drag-and-drop editing. The new SUITEANALYTICS workbook provides users with unique business insights and powerful decision-making capabilities by delivering a suite of customization options to enable rich formatting and visualization of the data, including pivot table capabilities. With the new SUITEANALYTICS workbook, everyone in your organization can be a power analyst with self-service business intelligence, ensuring that your organization is data-driven. Finally, let me talk about our platform highlights. Your company administrator now has the ability to easily define and create custom field-level help within NetSuite for standard fields. Field-level help appears when you click on the field label. This can be used to tailor the help fields to your company's domain and business purposes. You can add the description for English as well as other languages supported by the user interface. Administrators or users with the full level of the Customized Field Level Help permission can edit or remove the custom help for a field. We're introducing a new unified script ID for custom segments that makes scripting easier. This simplifies scripting with a unified script ID for the custom segment definition across all platform tools, including SuiteScript, CSV imports, web services, workflows, formula fields, SuiteBundler, and the Suite Cloud Development Framework. You can now source custom segments from the body field to the line field. Added support of custom segments for inventory adjustment and inventory transfer is also available. With the introduction of NetSuite's new SUITEANALYTICS workbook solution, we are pleased to introduce an open beta period for our new SuiteScript 2.0 query API that interfaces to the new analytics solution. By enabling the SUITEANALYTICS workbook feature in your NetSuite account setup menu, you'll get instant access to unified analytical features and the query API. The SuiteScript 2.0 query API comes with support for the following key features: multi-level joins, multi-column sorting, support of aggregations and formulas, promise support, pagination, load and delete functionality. There are many new and improved features in the 2018 Release 2, and these were just the highlights. To learn more about the new features I covered and the many that I didn't have time for, please visit your new release portlet and read the release notes. It's also a great idea to make sure you access your preview account when it's made available to you. This is a great way to see, hands-on, how the new features work with your own data. It's a free part of the service you get as a NetSuite customer, and we really encourage you to take advantage of your release preview access period. Enjoy this amazing new release.